𝗕𝗂𝗏 Today is the 26th day and I will talk on AI integrated productivity. Build systems that think with you, not against you. In the future of work, it is not human versus artificial intelligence. It's human plus artificial versus the irrelevance. Namaskar. I'm 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗏, best-selling author, resilience strategist, and a work-life balance coach. My dear friends, I welcome you on the 26th day of 𝗕𝗂𝗏. And today's breakthrough, AI integrated productivity. Build system that think with you, not against you. You will remain the Lord all the time. You will remain the master. Let AI serve your purpose. Because using AI is not cheating, it's evolving. Let us see how to evolve. Before that, first to understand the problem. You are still doing repetitive tasks manually, summarizing long documents, drafting emails, scheduling, researching, and sorting data. In 2025 and beyond, manual labor is simply obsolete. Here I provide you the 3 productivity automations with AI. First, AI as admin. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or Notion AI to generate reports, summaries, and ideas. Tool you can use templates plus prompt libraries. Second, AI as a calendar boss. Synchronize with Reclaim.ai, Motion, or Google Gemini to optimize your schedule. Block creative, admin, and break zones. Third, AI as a research assistant. Use AI as one of your research assistant like any other inputs while doing research. Use Perplexity, ChatGPT Pro, or 𝗫𝗔𝗂𝗏 to automate fast-pass research. It will saving hours. Here is AI productivity data. According to McKinsey, AI tools save 28 to 35% of time in knowledge-based roles. According to Zapier study, professionals using automation gain more than 9 hours per week. And according to Deloitte 2024, AI integrated workers report 41% higher job satisfaction. Here I present you 3 global case studies. Ana from Spain, a content strategist who uses ChatGPT plus Canva AI to create 10 times more social posts per week with less burnout. In my case, almost 6 to 8, the covers I need to use. I use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. Then I edit in Canva or Canva AI and final product comes out. And when you use it every day, it becomes a very simple task for you. Nothing will overwhelm. Now ChatGPT is giving Sora also. It is doing a fantastic job. So there are many tools you can use. Vinod from India, a solopreneur automating invoices, proposals, and follow-ups using Notion AI plus Zapier. Meet Elena from Canada, a team lead who built an AI dashboard using Airtable plus AI APIs to track team matrices in real time. Here are journal prompt for you. What work could I delegate to AI so I can do the work only I can do? Bonus affirmations. AI is my tool. My creativity is my driver. So always you will remain in the driver's seat. Here is worksheet for you. AI Productivity Launcher Kit. It includes AI prompt generator for admin and research. Huge amount of prompt generator I provided in through different worksheets in different episodes. Here is one AI prompt generator for admin and research. Top 10 AI tools for mid-career professionals and AI plus human task delegation matrix. You will get the clarity when you look at the matrix using my worksheet. Here is call to action. Comment. I build systems that think with me, DM day 26 for free download of the toolkit. Tag someone still stuck in busy work and subscribe my channel for 27th day where we master delegation plus collaboration in AI teams. Thank you very much.